learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
In 1997, Sangota Hoshang Band was formed. Sangota means lizard, and the Hoshang refers to young people. Tommy, the art director of the band and the man in charge of the music, is of Hakka descent, while the remaining members come from other ethnic groups in Taiwan. The band's performances include Taiwanese, Hakka, Aboriginal languages, and Mandarin. They mix traditional Hakka folk songs with a modern sound that's truly unique. Since 2010, they've released 3 albums.
Yo, 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 it's time to talk about Hakka on ICRT FM 100.
Hello， 大家好，我是阿平哥 Leo。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph 林。
你好开心哦，
心情特别好，是因为呢，今天要跟音乐有关的主题了。
哦，超好，
没错，对不对？
我们今天要介绍一个团体。
Right, we're actually going to introduce you to a band right here, a music band. 对不对？
它叫做三叫台後生樂團。
三叫台後生樂團。哎呀 ，there you go. It's a very long name, but let's break it up. First of all, band 一个乐团叫做
樂團。
Okay, that's the last 2 words. That means a band. But this band name is called 三狗大後生。解释
三叫台就是一种树上爬的一种蜥蜴。
那不是狗啦。
它不是狗，狗不会爬到树上去。
Okay, so 三狗大 is actually a type of animal that climbs on the tree. 到底是什么样的动物呢？
不知道你有没有看过？就是在树上爬的一种蜥蜴。
所以它是一种蜥蜴就对了。
对，是它蜥蜴的名字。
It's a type of lizard. Okay, so that's the first word. 那后面这个后生呢？
後生就是讲年轻。
後生 that actually means the younger generation.
原来的那个组成的团员就是颜志文老师、颜志文先生，然后后来他找了一些年轻人一起加入，所以就共同组了这个叫後生樂團後生的樂團。
Okay, got it. We're just using a lot of time to explain the meaning behind the name, but basically this is led by someone named Tommy, 也就是颜志文。我上次也是有碰过他，他真的是非常非常有才华的一个音乐人。And he brought in a lot of new descendants, youngsters, musicians that are talented to give us a lot of different genres of music. 其实现在有很多比如爵士乐等等这种元素都会融入在他们的音乐里面了。
是啊是啊。
OK, 好，再跟我们讲这个乐团叫做
三叫台後生樂團。
三叫台後生樂團。And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
案子寫張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.